Welcome to ZenBasket. Shopping for clothes online can be tricky when it comes to finding the perfect fit. Our size chart takes the guesswork out, helping your customers choose the right size every time. In this video, discover how this simple tool can enhance their shopping experience and boost your sales. To enable the size chart plugin, simply navigate to the Plugins menu. Select Plugins list. Search for Product Size Chart and click the Activate button. Note: the Product Size Chart is a paid plugin. You will need to purchase it, and you can change your plan later by clicking the Change Plan button. Once activated, click the Settings icon to customize the feature according to your preferences. Here, you will find two tabs: Configuration Details and Website Features. In the Configuration Details tab, choose the size chart icon from the icon settings. Enter the size chart label and select the size chart view from the drop-down in the display settings. Modify styles like font color, link pop-up overlay color, font family, font style, and font size. Moving on to the Website Features tab, only enabled features are displayed on the website. Enabling the easy-to-customize size chart display toggle lets you customize size charts for different products, categories, or brands. Once enabled, you'll find two options: Assign size chart to categories and Assign size chart to brands. When enabled, size charts will automatically appear on product detail pages for items within assigned categories or selected brands, providing customers with relevant and precise sizing information. Finally, click Save. Now, let's see how to add a size chart to your products. Navigate to the Products menu and select the Size Chart submenu to manage templates. Click the Add Size Chart button. In the General tab, enter details like size chart name, subtext, and description, and upload an image for the size chart. In the Size Chart Table section, click the Add Chart Item button. Enter the chart item name. Enable the Auto Convert toggle if you need to convert the measurement unit automatically. Select the Accept Range checkbox to accept size range between two values. You can delete any chart item by using the Delete icon. Click the Add Chart Item button to create a new row in the Chart Items list. You can rearrange items using the drag and drop icon. Choose the table unit conversion from the drop-down. Example: centimeter to inches, inches to millimeter, etc. Enter the item values for the chart based on the selected units. Click the Add Item Value button to create a new item value. You can also remove any item value if necessary. Note: if the Auto Convert toggle is enabled, only the selected chart item will be auto-converted. Make sure you follow all the guidelines provided in the Notes section. Proceed to the next tab and choose whether the size chart will apply to a product, category, or brand. Then, search for the relevant item and select it. After making your selections, click Save to implement the changes. The created size chart gets added to the list. Under the Actions menu, you can edit or delete templates. You can also use the search bar to find a size chart template by entering the size chart name or filtering based on the created date, and Applied To for easy navigation. Now, navigate to your store and search for the product, category, or brand to which the size chart is mapped. When you open the product page, the size chart will be displayed based on the plugin settings. Click the size chart link to open and view the size chart details you've configured. You can customize all the details as per your preferences. Note: if two size charts are added for the same product, only the most recently created size chart will be displayed on the storefront. You now have a comprehensive understanding of our product size chart feature. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support.